Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream with xanthan gum. Measure ingredients and warm milk and cream, then dissolve sugar completely. If making custard, whisk yolks and temper with hot milk to avoid curdling. Hydrate xanthan gum in a small amount of liquid and blend thoroughly to prevent clumps. Chill the base fully, then proceed to churning and freezing for optimal texture and stability. Combine milk, cream, and sugar and warm until sugar dissolves without boiling. For a custard base, whisk yolks and temper them with warm milk gradually to avoid scrambling. Hydrate xanthan gum by whisking it into a small amount of cold liquid until fully smooth and lump-free. Stir the hydrated gum into the base. Cool the mixture quickly in an ice bath, strain, and refrigerate until thoroughly chilled for best results. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which learns your floors, offers voice control, and keeps your kitchen crumb-free while you churn. It is a handy helper that lets you focus on texture instead of cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pour the chilled base into your ice cream maker and churn until soft serve consistency is reached. Expect xanthan gum to create a slightly thicker mouthfeel that stabilizes air and slows melting for a creamier result. After churning, transfer to a shallow container, press parchment onto the surface to prevent ice crystals, and freeze until scoopable. Let the ice cream soften briefly before serving so it regains optimal scoopable texture and creaminess.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.